Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do streaks on the Snapchat. So if you want to connect streaks with your Snapchat fellows, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, now you have to click a picture and click on the send to from the right bottom. Once you will do it, here you will see all of your friends, so you have to select all the friends with whom you want to connect the streak and send it. Once you will do it, your friend will also send you a streaks, and you have to send these streaks for the 3 to 4 days. After that, you will see here 3 3 3. It means your streak is connect now, and it will increase daily if you stay connected on the streaks with your friend. So this is the procedure to do the streaks on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.